Pegasus Python Flask control program. I simply embellished it a bit. So basically now I can transmit, and when I do, it'll pretty much say I'm transmitting. So watch this. Kind of cute, right? It takes the S meter down to 0. It says transmitting USB. Has the power output here. Stop transmitting, it quits working. You can go here to AM. Transmitting AM. I guess I should go to the right band. There we go. Transmit lower sideband. Transmit upper sideband. Transmit CW. There's FM. When I go like this, it'll also transmit FM. Alright, that's about it. Ham radio bands are dead today. You can say nothing there, a little bit there, a little bit there, dead, 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 dead. What about CB band in Las Vegas? Everything's dead. Anyway, there's my little demo. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.